Hi and welcome to another video detailer. This time we've got a super cool Mark 8 Golf R. It's the first Mark 8 Golf I've had and a long series of Golfs. So this guy's going to have a major enhancement detail, so 2-stage machine polish, wheels off ceramic coating upgrade, 5-year ceramic coating to the paint. I've got to take one wheel shortly to get one refurbished because it's had a previous dodgy repair, exterior glass, and I'm going to show you the condition of the paint. So this is a 2022 car, and a lot of people are like, oh, my car isn't that old, it doesn't need machine polishing. But this customer's had quite a few cars done with me and he understands the benefit of machine polishing. So before I do the clay bar, so the mechanical decontamination stage, I'm going to show you the condition of the paint. So I'll hit the lights and walk around the inspection light. So I'm going to start down the driver's side, the main light's off and the inspection light on. You can really see the swelly swirls, if it focuses a bit better. So this is just a lot of poor wash methods in its short time. So they didn't buy the car brand new, it was pre-loved and just not washed very carefully. So up on the roof we've got some buffer trails there. They're caused by rotary polisher just sort of whammed over the paint, no real care. But if you look closely there, that's the mark they've obviously tried to remove. They haven't removed it and they've just hidden it in this series of blemishes. Driver's door, much the same, swelly, swelly, swelly. There are a few little car park marks there, can you see it right in the middle? Whoop, whoop. Up on the bonnet more buffer trails, lots more swirls, lots more swirls. The front bumper's either had a smart repair or just someone's definitely sanded it, see here and here. Whizzed over it again with the polisher, not removed the sanding marks. Oh, more sand in there, beautiful. So passenger door, swirly, oh, that's just a little bit, it's not clayed, so just still little bits from where I've dried it. Rear door, more buffer trails. Probably not as obvious as the higher panels, but nonetheless it's just a very, very dull finish. Black B pillars bad again. Up on this little A to C bit, more buffer trails on the roof, buffer trails on the rear quarter, more swirly swirlies. On the boot lid, you can see this little scratch. Someone's had a go at sanding it off, rotary over it. It hasn't actually removed the defect, it's just hidden it. It's not even hidden, you can still see it. It's just put it behind all this crap. Rear bumper's actually not too bad, just the swirls again. And that is the walk around. I'll show you this wheel. This is the wheel that's getting refurbished. So it's had a smart repair at some point, but look, wheel's clean, but this has all been lacquered over. That's the brake dust from before, and they've just done their repair, lacquered over it and sealed all that in, so you never clean it off. So we're going to have it done again nicer, properly, get rid of all these runs in the paint and make it beautiful. So the next job is to get the car clay barred, so chemical decontamination is done outside, and now the mechanical decontamination to get anything that's bonded to the paint off is now. So we'll do that and get the wheels off, take the one to get refurbed and start polishing. So I've gone ahead, done that, and it's going to work really nicely. I'm going to carry on around the rest of the car. Golf R all finished. It's had its 2-stage machine polish, 5-year ceramic coating on all the paintwork, glass coated, wheels were rough coated inside out, and the nice big blue calipers. The one wheel I took to get refurbed, they couldn't do it, so where it had been done before, they're taking too much metal off the face, so there's no material left to play with. You won't get the diamond cut front because it'll just be a whole silver front. Thanks again for watching. If you liked the video, give it a little thumbs up, maybe subscribe if you're not already. If you want to see more up-to-date things, there's Facebook and Instagram at DetailR. So thank you, see you next time.